So we're going to move this Kallax and all of these records into the house because for some reason it's a bit damp in here. We've got a few casualties. Can you see? Some of them got proper damp on them. These in particular have just been bleached. So yeah, day of treating all this vinyl. Hopefully it's all good, especially that one. And yeah, let's go from there. So you're wondering what to do to vinyl if you're ever in this situation? It is get a cloth, dry cloth, wax some bleach, any bleach will do, then rub it into the cloth, then rub it on to the sleeves. So we've got our vinyl, which hopefully this can come back, Breeders Siren Tannic. Hope it's alright. So what we do is we see that bleach, yeah, all that mould, and rub onto there. Look, it's coming off quite well. It's coming off quite well, so we should be alright. And just rub it in. Hopefully it's okay. And that the bleach does its job. And the mould is gone. So it'd be a real shame for this to get ruined. And yeah, moral of this story: don't put your vinyl into a damp place. As we see, there's a little bit of damage on the sleeve, so we'll touch that out with some bleach too. Do not get bleach on the actual record, just on the paper bits, that's fine. And there we go. Can't really see any evidence of the bleach anymore, which is great. We'll then clean up the record because it's just a bit dusty. I don't think there's actually any mould on there. And the sleeve is already looking much better. Look at that. Thank goodness for that. Bleach will probably penetrate the paper, we'll let it dry, and then that'll be that. So yeah, don't store your records in a damp place. Keep an eye on where you're storing them, and but if it does happen, you can try and salvage them with some very neat bleach on the cloth, and hopefully that'll be alright. Just to kind of caveat this, if you really care about your records and you have them in immaculate condition, this is not a solution for you. These records of mine were never in a pristine condition. They've been played in various nightclubs for well over 25 years. They're for my own personal entertainment. Oh God, it's really sodden there. Anyway, putting bleach onto immaculate things is going to degrade to them. It might ruin it might cause discoloration, all sorts of things. For me, I'm not that bothered in that sense. I just want the bleach to stop on these. If you're in that situation, then this is the right method. Otherwise, get a professional to restore things if they can. Okay, cheers. And yeah, I thought this was screwed. Look at that, that's pretty revolting. That's definitely damp all over it. Don't use bleach here. I've got an actual record cleaning kit. Yeah, that's what I'll use on this instead. Let's see how it goes, see if I can get those things. Otherwise, I think this one's for the knackered. Oh lordy, trouble so hard. Whoa lordy, trouble so hard. Look at that, that's terrible. So yeah, we're not going to use bleach because that might ruin it. But this is some kind of record cleaner that I use quite a lot of. Don't apply it directly to the vinyl. Get the softest microfiber cloth that you can find. It does actually come with one inside the pot, but we don't use that because I don't want to contaminate all the other records I have with mould. I mean, to be honest with you, it's they're a hard surface that shouldn't penetrate, but I don't want to take that risk, right? I want to kind of keep the damage to a minimum, and hopefully this will come off. Oh, look at that, it's already coming away, which is a massive relief. And we will polish that up now. That's great. Circulate. If you ever wanted to know how to clean a record, this is how you do it. Circling round, follow the groove around, very much like the needle on the record. And look at that, that's kind of clean. And do the same on the other side, which the other side's actually not too bad anyway. Let's give it a bit of a clean though. Clean all that crap off. Look at that. Phew. And that's how to clean up a record. Hope to enjoy it. And now just 2,500 to go. That'll be great.